Hi, my name is Robert Mazer, and I live in Chicago, Illinois, and I am a wedding cinematographer. At an event that we were filming, there was a same-day edit, which means that we take the footage that we filmed from that day and then edit it together into a short highlight montage. And what happened was when we pulled the card out of the camera into the computer, it said that there was an error and couldn't be read. The card contained footage from an event that was filmed earlier in the day. And this wasn't something that could be recreated quickly. This was the third time that we've worked with DriveSavers, and they're always very professional, courteous. They take down all the information they need from us in order to hopefully recover the data. Been very responsive in listening to my needs, and they're always there to help us in any way possible in retrieving the data. In the end, they've always come through, and that's really the reason why we always come back to them. Living in Chicago, we have a gamut of data recovery companies to select from, but really for us, it's so critical to be able to recover the data with as much of a success rate as possible, that it's not worth for us to risk in going with a local company that we might not have 100% confidence in. If you have incredibly sensitive data that needs to be recovered, my question is, why wouldn't you go with the best? And to me, it's a no-brainer. DriveSavers has always been there for us. We've always trusted them. And yes, we would always recommend them.
DriveSavers, we can save it.